Hey, baby. Stop talking for a second.
No, I'm heading somewhere.
Come on, somebody said you should not be out here at night walking by yourself.
Come on, get in. I'll take you wherever you want to go.
I don't know. I don't usually do this.
Come on, I won't hurt you. I just really want to get you in out of this cold weather.
But I honestly have nowhere to go.
Why is that?
Look, I'm living with my sister right now, and we just got into this huge argument, and well, let's just say here I am on the street and nowhere to go.
Look, I can't just leave you out here like this. I tell you what, allow me to just check you into the hotel for a night. Seriously, no funny business.
Hell, what could it hurt?
I'm saying, come on.
Thank you, listen, you didn't have to lock me up here. I'm okay. I'm fine.
Listen, if there's anything else that you need, here's my business card. Don't hesitate to...
listen. Like I said, I don't usually do this. Since you insisted.
Wait, you finishing? Pretty cute little boy you have there. Oh, thank you. My grandkids are running around somewhere over there. Oh, how nice. I bet he's a handful. Yes, he is. How old is he? He's 2. Sasha! Sasha! Get your butt over here. Too far away. Come closer! Oh, God. Where's your sister? Sasha! 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 There's no help! Get
Weeping may endure for a night, but joy, joy cometh in the morning. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Come on. Now you wipe those tears, pretty lady. Now tell Sister Josephine what's going on. friend of mine told me that you could help me with a difficult situation I've had. There is nothing, listen to me, there is nothing that the power of Christ cannot fix. My husband just cheated on me with multiple women. And his newest flame is his secretary. He feels that because he's the breadwinner, that I'm just supposed to take this. Hebrews 13:4. Marriage shall be honored by all, and the marriage bed kept pure. Now God will judge the adulterer and the sexually immoral. So can you help me? Proverbs 11:25. A generous person shall prosper, and whoever refreshes others shall be refreshed. Amen. Oh my gosh, John!
You like it?
Yes, I just love this house.
Well, I'll tell you what, you keep working hard, and you'll be in here in no time.
Stop it. Well, I sure hope so. I'm just so tired of living with my mom. One second.
What the f-
Did you think that your sins would leave you unpunished? Well, the wages of sin is death.
No, please! Oh no, please, no!
Our Father,
Oh no, please, please!
in heaven.
I got a wife!
I feel better, so much better, since I lay my burdens down. Burdens down, Lord, burdens down. Hallelujah, Lord. Thank you, God. Oh, you come to this restaurant to have a taste. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good.
Hello. Hi. How many? Table for 3. Aren't you guys some cutie pies?
Thank you.
They truly are. They're my pride and joy. They made all A's and B's this report card, so Nana brought them out for a treat. Aren't you guys lucky? Follow me right this way.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So, are you ready to order?
Everything looks great. Any recommendations?
Oh, well, the T-bone steak is to die for.
I'm vegetarian. I can't even look at or touch